Discover your dream home in the heart of Burke Mountain. This stunning 3-level residence offers nearly 4,000 square feet of space, a welcoming front porch, and plenty of parking for all your guests. Step into a grand entrance that sets the tone for the entire home. The living room features soaring double-height ceilings, oversized windows that flood the space with natural light, and a cozy gas fireplace for perfect evenings in. The gorgeous dining room features elegant details and double windows, creating a bright, inviting space that's perfect for entertaining guests. Unwind in the spacious family room designed for relaxing with loved ones. The large chef's kitchen boasts an oversized island, sleek stainless steel appliances, classic shaker cabinets, and a separate walk kitchen just off the main area for added convenience. On this level, you will find a work area as well as a powder room. Rounding it off is a bedroom perfect for guests, parents, or in-laws. In the basement is an office space with a separate entrance as well as a half bath, perfect for a home business. The spacious master bedroom is designed for ultimate comfort, perfect for unwinding after a long day. It easily accommodates a king-sized bed with plenty of room for a sitting area or reading nook. Elegant French doors open onto a private deck, where you can take in stunning views of the city below and enjoy peaceful moments morning or night. The amazing ensuite features a large glass shower, relaxing soaker tub, double sinks, and beautiful tile work that adds a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Rounding off this level are 2 generously sized bedrooms with large windows and plenty of closet space, perfect for family, guests, or a home office. A full bathroom with a sleek glass shower is just steps away. Both bedrooms have access to a spacious covered deck. The backyard is a dream come true, featuring a large covered deck perfect for summer barbecues and year-round enjoyment. The expansive lawn is framed by a tree-lined fence, offering both privacy and a touch of nature. The gently leveled yard is ideal for kids, pets, or your next garden project. For more details or to book your private showing, contact Saeed today.